Menteri Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jila Ubak Shaklir Wardri ula pelat pajba ya ka team song jong ka 6th Meghalaya Games ka Bajer Kerteng nyom naphang kumju ka Mascot Ukyang ha ka curtain racer ka Balalong ha District Auditorium Juwai ha ka khatlai tarik kalalingkon. Nalor Menteri la don lang ru UMLA ka Juwai bat chairman ka Muda Ma Wailat Miki Shila Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills ba BS Solia IAS Working President MSOA ba John F. Karchiyeng, ka Vice President MSOA ba Chairperson Reception Committee State Level, Secretary ka Sarkar Jila ka Kong Matsiodor War Nongbri, Assistant Director Department of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jila ma Krobok Pasa, General Secretary MSOA ma Finally El Pariat Nalor Kiway. Uba Shaklir Wardri ha ka Jingkren, ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam ban beiting ka ha ki jingtei ya ki jaka ya lek kai bat ban kentiau ya ki samla da ka bapen pau ba ki jinga lek kai ki wanra ka jinglong renti bat jinga teli ha padeng ki samla ula ong ru ba ka Sarkar Jila kala bu ha khmat ya ka jing beiting ka ha ki jingtei ya ki jaka ya lek kai bat ka jinga rap pisa ya ki senjuk ya lek kai Ula kedau ya ka jing thmu jong ka Sarkar ban pendon kambha ya ki jaka baladon lupa ha ki school bat ki college ha ka jaka ban shna ya ki jaka thamai kini ki jing bai tingka kin a jing man to ya ki jaka puli ki community hall hadien balakut ki jingalang Menteri ya lek kai ula kedau ba ka jing thmu jong ka Sarkar kalong ban ai bor ya ki samla ban pau nam ha ka jing lek kai tang ha ka jela Henry ha ka rensan jong ka ri baro ka wei Menteri ula ai khublei ya ka jinga trailang jong ki officer Sarkar ki senjuk ya lek kai but ai khublei ru ya ki nong ya lek kai ki bapen khre ya ki jinga lek kai ki ban sawan Shwa kani president ka MSOA John F Karchiyeng ula ong ka 6th Meghalaya Games kam dei tang ka jinga kop ka dei ka lumpung ban pen i ya ka kolshor but ka jinglong kerpang jong ka jela but khot wer ru ya ka jinga trailang jong ki nong shong shnong ban ai ka jingkar shan ya ki nong ya lek kai bat ban pelong ya kani ka lumpung kum ka tamasa jong ka jingkemen bat jinga teli ula pentep ru ba kinonga shimbenta ha kani ka lumpung bahe ka jela kilong lahajar sanspa ngot kun thop sanspa ngot ki technical official ki jat jinga lek kai kilong arpusan teli kun thop sau teli ki demo sports
again it is because we have the best interest of our youths, the best interest in mind of our youths and our athletes. And that is one of the main reasons that we have decided to host the Meghalaya Games every year. But keeping that in mind, the Meghalaya Games, like correctly mentioned by the Honorable MLA, does not only provide our youths, our athletes a platform, but it is something that we have decided that we take it to every district of our state. And through Meghalaya Games itself, most of the schools, most of the colleges, the Darbar Shrams, the entire district, they receive a lot of infrastructure which is to be used by them after the 6th Meghalaya Games. In particular, we have decided that our investments will not be constructing new venues, but then again making sure to use the venues which are already available in schools, in colleges, because once the 6th Meghalaya Games is over, then the schools and the colleges, the Darbar Shram, they get to utilize all the investment made by the government in terms of infrastructure. But then again, like I said, it's because we have the best interests of our youths and our athletes. And we do believe that once we invest in sports, that sports is something that builds a person. You become more disciplined in life. It builds character. That is one of the reasons that we look into sports, not only with the aspect of not only with that aspect of sport, but then the other aspects of life as well. So we do believe that all our investment will not go to waste. There was once that I was asked a question that why is the government spending so much money on the 6th Meghalaya Games? I still remember what our Honorable Chief Minister had replied, that it is not that something that we are spending, but in fact it is an investment to the youth of our state. Because we believe that the youths are the future of our state, the youths are the future of our country. And through sports, we hope that all these investments that have been made will build their character. They will, it builds a character in them. So like I said, the 6 Meghalaya Games gives our youth the platform to showcase their talent. And of course, we have invested a lot on infrastructures. But then again, like I said, all these investments that we've made in terms of infrastructure, in terms of funding the associations, different type of associations, all these investments that are made, it is because we have an objective. We have a goal that we want to achieve. We know that it's not possible for us to achieve all these goals in just a year or maybe in 2 years. But 10 years down the line, we will look back and we will appreciate the investments that was made 10 years, that the outcome that we see in the youth of our state. It is because we have an objective that we want that our youth, our athletes to shine on a larger platform. Like mentioned by the Honorable MLA, we as a government have decided that we would like to host the National Games in Meghalaya in the year 2027. If we have to host, if we are given the opportunity to host the National Games here in a beautiful state of Meghalaya, we believe that all these investments that were made in the Meghalaya Games, that we will see the outcome in the National Games. This is the right time, this is the right platform for our youth and our athletes. Maybe in the next National Games, they'll be able to win medal for us. Maybe 10 years down the line, they'll be able to compete on a larger platform. Maybe they might reach the Olympics. But if we don't take the necessary steps, if we don't act, I believe it is not possible for us to achieve all that. But it is because we, like I said, have an aim, it's an objective of why we're doing all this. It is because we would like to see that 10 years, maybe 15 years down the line, maybe in 2026, when India will be hosting the Olympics, maybe few athletes from our state will win medals. It will be a great pride for our state, but not only for our state, but for our country as a whole. So, like I said, I'm very happy, and I would also like to thank all the Darbar Shrams, because I believe the collective effort that has been put in all the way through from the government officials, along with the representatives, the local MLA from here, and with all the Darbar Shrams, the collective effort that they've put in to make sure that this Meghalaya Games is a huge success.
Ngakwa bat apil kamtam ya Pinoksong Snom job of West Giant Hill District. No doubt mentar ski kane tang the curtain raiser. The curtain raiser means tang the jins dang, tang the highlight job the program iban salong hakine ski iban man. Hoy ke jin kre kalalong nakaliang job the department ngai kublay nado deputy commissioner the ADC kamtam ya wa probok pasa bolong district sport officers jomi ubala tresutom hakine ki line nai sawnai but ya borok ki line department namar ndai ke kam ka basut kamtam na ki meeting nilai shom namar nila meeting kan namar kane kedai ke program ka bare kedai ke very important program. Dan kata-kata na ai kublay, ya shimni kini kekabuban ai kublay, ya borok officers, ibang layo iba klem tiasyo, kini ki ar lain kenang ban pun ulong, ya kini ke Meghalaya Games kan long kabencong. But kumang meni, shisha nga daladihi nga kuwaban ai kublay kerpang ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya. Namar ladang aku mengerti ladang penuh ya barok ke MLA skim jong sundstem Ladang alai buat ya skim barok sansnem ro nganam la banwan ra yang kini development kumbagi wan manta. Mi hapo ka district impatan ya swimming pool tangong mentang ilayo sanction. Hoy hinam la ban long hakani tambah construction ni ke jintre kalaya chakman. Mi impatan ya lawn tennis court mentang ilayo artini lawn tennis court ki batmai. Bat punta terter ilayo I baboro I community halls I government college schools. Bat nadang kerenkai yang diperlok na orang lada kena jong kena kuli jong ke politik ini. Lada kiwan anda kilawan cuti. Kim sekendip kinong mina koi syadol syai gani jaka. Namara kaswa kim le cuti kelong da kungwei. Anda kilawan kela duno da kungwei. Batnya saya kerenkai bang orang lada iman dalam poi da kan melek da kan ka Meghalaya Games. The even wat da kan MDC hostel kan nom yo romsho ka batumai. The shisha ka Meghalaya Games kala penkeladur ya ka district ke jongi ya kene borok na ai ka credit na ai kublai ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ba kamtam minister belon burom jongi iba sai kor ba yang na kor skor iba sai keli ba kumno ka jing konkret satu kumno ka biang em man la ka kor ka pendi ya ka concern ke jongi but ultimately na community ba lang ba jong kene ka Meghalaya Games bagi kon samla jongi ka than jongi jong ka district ka state ka jongi kin yo ya ka platform bat nang ni kin nang yai piu shikman kin yo wan ra ya ka nam ka burong ya ka district ka state bat terihi berokoi tengah degni kin tin swa bangan shom sa sisi ngakwa ban apil kamtam ya kinong shom jong ka shom juai hi berokoi namar pisngau tu bat 90% na kini competition kinlong hangni hasor duai kami tengah khot ngayawer ya borok kinong song bangin long kita ki ambassador namar sneu tu pa bon na keleng ka state in one ki participant hakani ka sor duai jogi bat hamtam ya ki perlok ki jogi ki ban wan kala ban ong bat for the first time ki ban wan na do na ka thai tura te sneu tu ka dei ka jaka ka thumai ya ki bon na pedeng jong ki ban nam tip ya kelenti lane inja kelenti satu seni ngak gerpat na ya khot na ya wer ka jing ya trailang bat ngin peti ya kata ka burong ya kata ka disiplin ka jogi kum ka society bat nga apilo nga kemilenti ro ba da ka jing le ha ka jogi ha ka ni ka Meghalaya Games naman ngitip haden ka Meghalaya Games kan sawan ka national game yo ba andang la le ha kan ka Meghalaya Games the sport minister in an island show yang iha national game ro ke Joko
the publicity of different venues on the day of Kaduna we secretary yang baru di Meghalaya Games di tangga dia ke bagian ke result ini hopefully bagi lapulon kini ke result on kanulong kuwe ka nang ni sakman ni ya ba kata ka publicity jungi we ya bagi nang le reng ami scam ki babun di komiti ke Bangladesh bila sedap la kalau publicity komiti ya ba kita page punya maki berkata ke jemput kre la ke jemput tu bilang ya saya le sekidon ba musim latih kan yang padi kata ka ke Bangladesh publicize mengi reng ami scam ke komiti ke sesong ya ke ba ini ya pedi kata apa pek ke jemput ke Juai town di West Hills district ladai ke yang kita news Miladon mengenai kita news kebun di school di colleges Miladon yang komunikasi lapiang cerita kalau pakar bahaya di baru genre yang keikat singgon kamban konkret kamdon kejengkeli ben ong hang tani laguna tani lebun hendaknya ipekat ke singgon kam juga cakap hendak ladadon ben badon kam kumangile suwe hang ni ladadon ke singgon kam ba inle be dei bagi ong ba suwe ngile
Hadian kani Menteri Ringkat UMLA ulalet jingo ikijaka balapan kre nakabenta ka 6th Meghalaya Games kuntup kijaka yalek ka kumju kijaka sa kijaka ba patpen pau ka jing sngohun ban yoi ya ka jing ya chakman ka jing pen kre bat ai kublai kerpang ru ya UMLA bat ka Borsenshire district ki bala persyang ban pentikna ban long ki balapan kre hashwa ba barok kinong yalek ka kin poi ha ka ni ka jaka.
We're very happy to see that the overall progress of all the competition venues as well as the accommodation, and at the same time the dining area is all the progress is doing very well. I believe within a day or maybe 2 days everything will be done. So I'm very happy, and big thanks to Honorable MLA from here along with the district administration for putting their timeless efforts into making sure that we are ready before all our athletes reaches the venue. As of now, almost all everything is on schedule. So before the game starts, everything will be done. So there are a few places that the progress is still going on, but like I said, nonetheless, the overall progress is that we are satisfied with the overall progress of everything.